Hey everybody, it's Jimmy from the DIY and Digital, and today we're going to make these cheap trees I bought off Amazon look good. Hey everybody, it's Jimmy, and first of all, I would like to invite you to hit that subscribe button below and hit the bell if you want to be notified for more of my videos. Alright, let's get right into it. You've seen me do the base layer for this scenery in a previous video. I'll link that here. Today we're going to look at these trees I bought off Amazon for around $8. Now they're made in China and they all look relatively cheap. They're not bad looking, it's just the green's a little off, and I don't necessarily love the way that they look. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a little tray to place some Woodland Scenics medium green coarse turf. We're then going to cover the tree in glue, and we do that by simply just running a glue bottle up and down. You can use all sorts of liquid. You can use spray adhesive, you can use a brush and paint this on there. This is just the quickest way that I've found to do it. Does not take long at all. Alright, now we're going to take the tree and dip it into the coarse turf. Try not to hold too much on there, but hold a good amount. Keep rotating it and dipping it and work the tree into there so that the coarse turf gets a good even coat. You want to kind of have the colors kind of mixing, but the coarse turf is a more realistic green than what the original foam on the tree is. And this is what it looks like when you have all of that. You can see it's a good mixture. You get some of those bright colors. Alright, next we're going to take a bamboo skewer and we're going to stab a little spot in our extruded foam. And then we're going to stick our tree in there. And it's as simple as that. So here is the final result. I personally am very happy with it. I've mixed it with some other super cheap trees that I found on Amazon. I will link those below. These trees come in 20 packs, which makes them very, very cost effective if you know how to work and finagle them. And I hope this video helps you do that. A reminder to like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, this is Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Happy railroading.